Hello guys, ito tayo ngayon. Well, I just completed a 10K run. I have 6 more Ks to go, but I thought I'd stop by and greet you all. But anyway, today is a Monday, just like anywhere else or anybody. Mondays are normally the most challenging days out of the week dahil ito ay simula na naman ng linggo. At parang sa buhay natin, maraming challenges naman, di ba? But lahat naman ng challenges, kaya natin anuhin yan lampasan. At lagi tayo nagwawagi. So, always stay positive, di ba? Pagka-challenges, ibig sabihin nun positive. Kasi nagbibigay ng turo sa atin yon. Yan ang buhay natin dito. Hindi naman pwedeng puro sarap lang, di ba? So, pag may mga challenges, ngiti lang tayo. Let's face the challenges. At basta we're positive on it, kaya natin kampanan yan, kaya natin lampasan yan. Well, anyway, just want to wish you all a happy week ahead of us. God bless you all, as always, because why? I care. Take care. Bye-bye. 6 more K to go. Here we go.